Welcome back to another activity. I guess I'm actually having you guys do this. But make a paper airplane. Challenge yourself to see how far you can make it fly. How high can you go? Bye. Oh, let's get started. Airplane time, isn't it? Generally, I don't allow you guys to make paper airplanes in classroom, especially for when you're finished, just because you guys kind of making paper airplanes, you want to fly them. So I kind of trying to limit that from happening. But this activity, I always say, it's actually the art activity it's meant to be a paper airplane, then it might lose paper airplanes. And this one is. And you guys could go, you can design your own paper airplane. Or you could go online, look at different types of paper airplanes. There's so many kind of airplanes. Technically, a paper airplane is actually a form of origami. And so a lot of techniques that you do, it's basically all just like origami. Paper airplanes is all about the folds and how sharp the folds are and how you fold them. It's more of a glider type of shape. I don't really like this one. Okay, let's do another one, but I'm letting you guys kind of see what I'm making here. So I'm going to get another piece of paper here. That one is terribles, and that's alright. Technically, art is all about, if you make a mistake, start over again or try again. Just kind of like science. Art is basically like a science. We're scientists, and we create hypotheses and see if things work. If they don't work, and see if we use what we have or start over again. And it's all right to start over again. It's definitely all right to start over again. Paper airplane. I don't know how well this thing will actually fly, but really what you want to do is create your paper airplane and see how far it goes, how high it goes. Challenge yourself. Make many different types of airplanes as you can and see different types. Another thing is, do this outside. It's nice out. Do it outside. Then you have less chances of this in people's faces and all that, and never throw it towards somebody. So, let's see how far my will go. I don't know if you actually saw that, because I don't know if the camera was where I wanted to be. Here's my thing, let's see where it goes. Here it goes up. Well, if it wasn't for the wall, it might go further. So, hopefully you have fun. Hope you enjoyed this activity, and I will see you next time. Bye.